We are currently doing a repaint project for our Voltis 5 figure. But before we continue doing that, practice muna tayo ng masking and painting using this robot. And by the way, this is a gift from a friend. So gasan muna natin siya. So once again, gamitin natin itong Nico Chrome paint as base paint ng ating figure. So for masking naman, ginamit natin itong Scotch Blue na brand na painter's tape. Ayan, as you can see, hope it works. And for the rest of the parts, para makatipid tayo sa painter's tape, gamitin natin ang masking tape na ang brand is Armac. But the problem with Armac is this. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's annoying. So this is our masking so far. I hope it works. And umpisahan na natin siyang i-paint. And for this painting, we're going to use this Nico spray na Yamaha Blue. Parang hindi siya blue. Looks weird. Medyo purple. It's supposed to be blue. I'm not sure why it looks like this. Tuloy na rin natin. Baka naman mag-iba siya pagka natuyo. Well, it's supposed to be blue. Pero ang weird, parang purple ang kinalabasan. It's Yamaha Blue. But this definitely is not blue at all. Medyo purple ang dating. Tayin nating matuyo and let's see how it goes. So yan, it's Yamaha Blue. May ginawa ba akong mali? What have I done wrong? Why the color looks so different? So let's hope na tama na ang kalabasan dito sa ating second coating. It still doesn't look blue at all. Purple siya and malabnaw. Expired na kaya tong paint na to? What do you think, guys? Pero kakabili ko lang nito sa sa Wilcon Depot ko to binili. But it doesn't look blue at all. I think mukhang expire na yung ating spray paint. Tapos malabnaw siya, oh. Parang hindi ko makapit. It doesn't look like Yamaha Blue. Not at all. So ayan guys, as you can see, it doesn't get any better nung natuyo siya. But i-unpeel na rin natin yung masking. And let's see how it goes. Nagmukha siyang light purple na matte finish. But it's supposed to be metallic blue. I'm not a fan of the result. Well, let's see how it goes. And I think palpak din yung ating painter's tape. May sumasamang mga paint sa ating pagpil and it doesn't supposed to be that way. This definitely is a fail. Ayan o, natatanggal yung paint. Doesn't supposed to be that way. But anyway, mako-cover naman natin ito kapag winether na natin itong ating toy. But of course, it doesn't supposed to be that way. Ayan, may sumasama talagang paint. So next time gagamit tayo ng ibang brand. And what we use now for this is Scotch Blue and also Armac. Ang daming na bakbak na paint. Buti na lang at pinag-practicean muna natin dito sa ating practice robot bago natin in-apply kay Voltes 5 or else ayan ang magiging result. Kumakapit dun sa Scotch Blue na tape at saka dito sa Armac. So next time gagamit tayo ng ibang brand ng masking tape at painter's tape. Or maybe ang problem din siguro sa spray paint na ginamit natin. What do you think, guys? So I'm definitely not happy with the result. Ayan. Although mareremedyohan natin siya pagka na-weathering na natin yung ating painting, but it doesn't supposed to look this way. May mga paint na sumama dun sa ating painter's tape at masking tape. Buti na lang nag-practice muna tayo before we apply this sa ating Voltes 5 figure. And not to mention the obvious, yung supposed to be na blue color ay naging light pink. Fail. It looks ugly. So itong kinalabasan ng ating practice na masking and painting. I'm definitely not happy with the result. Bukod sa nag-peel off yung mga silver paints natin, yung supposedly na metallic blue na Yamaha blue na paint ay naging light pink na matte finish. So yeah, let's do our best para maayos natin ang kinalabasan by doing some weathering dito sa ating practice robot. And also gagamit na rin tayo ng ibang brand ng painter's tape and masking tape para wala nang sasamang paint pagka pinil natin siya. And guys, if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching and please like and follow para sa ating next part. And for our last attempt para maremedyohan ang ating mga mistakes, gumamit na tayo ng ibang brand ng masking tape. We are now using 3M and let's hope it works. And bumili na rin tayo ng bagong paint Now this is Honda Blue. Ayan. So instead na itong Yamaha Blue, we're going to use another one. And hope ma-achieve na natin, hindi kagaya nito, no? Layo. Hope ma-achieve na natin yung metallic blue na gusto natin for our practice robot. So I'm checking the numbers sa ilalim to see kung expired na ba yung ginamit nating paint, and this is the new one. And tingnan natin tong ilalim na ito. Ang nakalagay is 24. Yan kaya yung year? I'm not sure kung paano basahin tong numbers na to. But is that supposed to be expiration date? Dito kasi sa bagong bili natin may nakalagay 26. So bahala na si Batman. Let's see how it works this time. I hope ma-achieve na natin yung metallic blue na ina-expect natin. Yan, as you can see, I think mas tama na itong blue. Ito yung blue na ina-expect natin for our painting. Ayan. Metallic blue. It looks blue now. So I'm hoping na tama na yung paint na ginamit natin. And this is Honda Blue. This is the blue that we're expecting. So yan, to be honest with you, mas happy ako sa result na itong 3M na masking tape. Well, actually naghahanap tayo ng painter's tape pero walang available. So binili na natin itong 3M na masking tape, and it looks way better kaysa compared dun sa ginamit natin na Armac. This time wala nang paint na sumasama. And finally, na-achieve na rin natin yung metallic blue na ina-expect natin. So again guys, pa-like and follow para sa continuation ng ating project. Thanks for watching!